Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13T Pro, and let me share with you how to check your device for any viruses or malware. So thankfully nowadays we do not have to do a lot. All we have to do in this device is to enter the security. The virus scan will be performed by the device. All we have to do here is to tap on the security scan. Of course, give all the permissions it needs, and as you can see, the device will right now scan itself. It will scan paying environments and privacy security. And there are of course two scenarios. If your device is 100% safe, your device will show you the information that everything looks good and there's nothing to improve. However, if it will find anything, so any kind of malware, any kind of viruses, or any kind of problems, because as you can see, I do not have any information about the virus. However, the risk is in the system update. So your device will not only check for the viruses, but also for any kind of problems which may harm or make your device weaker. Of course, if you want to, you can simply tap on update, and I highly recommend to do that. I will not do it right now. However, your device will show you what you can improve, and you can take some steps to get rid of any kind of risks. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.